Okay, hello guys. Thank you for coming back to my channel. This is my floor chronicles because I'm on the floor doing my makeup. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next video. My daughter in the background talking because she's looking at Sing, and that's our favorite movie to watch. I love that movie. When I'm sad, I look at that movie. I just love that movie. So this is the eyes. Get into the eyes. This is the lip. Like a little fall look. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys. Bye-bye.
Your heart important, we can skirt off, ride off on 4Gs. I want you after so many choices, you know it. And I'm down to do whatever to show it. You ride up on me at the studio. It's kinda hard to stay focused. Look at your smile. Every time I see it, baby girl, you flip me out. I can't back down. We fighting, I got ball, but you know I'll be back around. Loving you all around. I got one question for you. Are you down?
Things I've never seen.
Your heart important, we can skirt off, ride off on 4Gs. I want you after so many choices, you know it. And I'm down to do whatever to show it. You ride up on me at the studio. It's kinda hard to stay focused. Look at your smile. Every time I see it, baby girl, you flip me out. I can't back down. We